Hello everyone. Welcome to my class. Yesterday we did indefinite article, use of a and n. Today I'm starting with definite article the. I gave you introduction yesterday of definite article. Let's start. The definite article the refers to a specific or particular person or thing. What is definite article? The. And indefinite articles are a and n. So whenever we have some particular thing given or mentioned in the sentence, some specific noun mentioned there we have to use the article the. It's written there when we refer to some particular person or thing. There we use the definite article the. See these examples. The house I have just bought is a spacious one. So here is the house. And which house? That particular which he bought. So here we are using the house. Call the boy standing outside. Now boy is a noun here. It's not any boy, but that particular boy who's standing outside. So we have written here the boy. Next, I met a boy this morning. The boy was looking for his lost dog. Now in this sentence, in the first sentence, we are using a boy because in this one is any boy in general. Now the next sentence, the boy was looking for his lost dog. In this sentence, that boy has become the specific one, the particular one. So we have written here the boy. We can use the with plural nouns also and singular noun also. Like the teachers of our school follow a dress code. So before teachers, we have the. Before countable and uncountable nouns, we can use the. Can I borrow the book you bought yesterday? In this example, book is mentioned there, that is a noun, and it is countable noun. And the book, why we have written here? Because it's a particular book, that specific book which was borrowed yesterday. The information I received yesterday is true. So information and countable noun here. With that, we have the definite article the. Here, next point, when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. Common noun, which the noun which we use as general, and singular one. That time we have to use the when it is indicating the whole class, whole group, whole community. See this example. The cow is a useful animal. Cow, it's singular, common noun, and we have written the here because here cow means all the cows here. All cows are useful animals. That's why with this word cow, we have used the cow, right? Another example here, the tiger is a fierce animal. Now tiger means that full class of tigers or species of tigers, all tigers are fierce animals. So we have the here. If the noun is changed into the plural form, then the definite article is omitted. In this condition, if we have plural noun here, that is tigers, that time will not write the tigers. Your sentence is tigers are fierce animals. You will not write the tigers are fierce animals. Now one note is given there. The only exception to this rule are the words men and women. Whenever you are writing men and women, there you don't have to write the. Men may be used in the singular without the definite article as representing all men. There is an example, man is mortal. So here singular man is given there, but that means all men. So here we are not using the man is mortal. We are writing man is mortal. Same way with women also. Women may be used in the singular without the definite article meaning all women. Women is weaker than men. This is a sentence given here. Here woman means all women or women are weaker than men. So this is a singular word, but we are using for plural form here. So here we are not writing any article. Okay. Now, third point. As an adverb with comparative in such sentences. We are using adverb and comparatives. Comparative means when we are comparing two things. See these examples. The more one has, the more one wants. So more is comparative word. With that, we are using the. The more, the more. Much, more, most. So more is comparative. In such sentences, you have to write the here when you are comparing two comparatives given there. There you have to use the with the words. The fewer, the better. Fewer is also comparative degree of few, few, fewer, fewest. Better is also comparative degree of good, good, better, best. So in that condition, you have to use the with comparatives. Now, next one. Okay. Fourth point. Before rivers, ranges of mountains, and group of islands. Ganges, you have to use the Indus, the Thames. These are the names of the rivers. Before the names of rivers, you have to use the. Next is ranges of mountains. The Himalayas, the Alps. These are ranges. So here we are writing the. Group of islands, the British Isles, the Andamans. This sentence, the Ganges is a holy river. We are using the before this name of the river. London is on the Thames. So before this name of the river Thames, we have the. Now one thing there, but individual mountains do not have the placed before them, as Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Now here with mountain ranges, we are using the Himalayas. But if we are talking about one particular mountain, one peak, there will not write any article. So here sentence given is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is not the ranges of mountain. It's one name of one mountain, one peak. So here we have no article. It's written Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. You will not write the Mount Everest. Okay, that is wrong. Now, fifth point. Before oceans, seas, gulfs, bays, and straits, you have to write the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic, the Red Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Persian Gulf, the Straits of Gibraltar. So with these names, you have to use the. Next one. Before the names of some countries, not all the countries, but some countries only. Like here, United Kingdom, the United Kingdom, Netherlands, the Netherlands, United States, the United States, Soviet Union, the Soviet Union, or the USSR. They will write India, will write India only, will not write the India, will not use article there. Seventh point. Before the names of newspapers, magazines, etc. Here we have the examples. The Times of India. Times of India is the name of a newspaper. So we are writing the Times of India. Statements. This is also newspaper, The Statesman, the Modern Language Review, the Illustrated Weekly. So with the names of these newspapers and magazines, we have the with them. Sentence number 8. Before the names of certain well-known books, or you can say our epics, we have to write the before the names. Bible, the Bible. Vedas, the Vedas. Quran, the Quran. Ramayana, the Ramayana. The Mahabharata, the Panchtantra, the Arabian Nights. So these are well-known, famous books. So there we have to use the. But one thing there. Homer's Iliad. Iliad is the name of a book. And Homer is written there, written by Homer, the name of the writer. So in this condition, will not use any article before Homer's Iliad. Same way, Valmiki's Ramayana. Who wrote Ramayana? Valmiki. So before Ramayana, so we were writing the, but Valmiki is there. So Valmiki's Ramayana, we will not use the article the here. The Valmiki's Ramayana is wrong. We'll write without any article Valmiki's Ramayana. Okay. Ninth one. Before names of ships and trains. See these examples. The Queen Elizabeth is a famous British liner. So before Queen Elizabeth, we have it's a name of ship or the train. The Deccan Queen is an express train which runs from Pune to Mumbai each day. That is the name of the ship. This is the name of the train. So here we have this article we have to use before the names of ships and names of trains. 10th point. Before names of public buildings, institutions, associations, etc. Okay, with some well-known buildings, we have to use the article the. University of London, so we have the University of London. The Foreign Office. British Museum, the British Museum. Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal. United Nations, the United Nations. Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Education. These are some associations, institutions, well-known buildings. So there we are writing the before their names. 11th point. Before plural proper names. Proper names or proper nouns are name of particular person, such as names of people or nations and families. Let's see these examples. The French live in France. So French means people living in France. So here, before this thing, French, we have this article, the. Before this country name France, we are not writing any article. Next one, the Russians sent up the first Earth satellite. We are not writing Russian setup. We are writing the Russian. So we have to use the before Russians. The Smiths used to live in this house. Smiths is the family here. So before the surnames of the family, there we are writing the. Similarly, the English, but Englishman. If you're writing English, you'll write the English. But if you are writing Englishman, don't use any article there. The French, but Frenchman. So before French, we have the, but before Frenchman, we are not using article. Same way in this, the British, but not Britons. We'll not write the Britons. The Spanish, but Spaniards. So before Spanish, we are using the, and before Spaniards, we are not using the or any article. The Irish, but Irishmen. So if we are using the word Irish, you have to use the. But if you are writing Irishmen, don't write any article. Okay. Now let's see what's written in this note. First one. Plural nouns standing for the people of a particular country are not preceded by the if the people in question are thought of individually. Understood the meaning? We are using Indians. This is a plural noun, but we are talking about individual person here. So in this sentence, we are not using any article. So sentence is, Indians are fond of sweets. Next one, Russians drink vodka. We are talking of all or every individual Russian. We are taking this individually. So we are not using any article here before Russians. Second point, the is not used before the names of languages. See this example. The people of France speak French. So this is the language here. So before this language, French, we are not using any article. In the previous one, it's about people of the nation. So we have written the French live in France. But here in this sentence, in the second point, the people of France speak French. Here French means language of France. So here we'll not write the French, we'll write French only. Next one, English is spoken in England. So when we are talking about language English, we are not writing any article there. But if we are talking about the people of England, so there we are writing the English or the English. Hindustani is spoken in India. Hindustani, it's about the language of Hindustan or India. So here, no article. Now see this sentence. Do you speak German? So yeah, German language. So before German, we don't have any article. But see this sentence. Do you speak the German language? After German, we are using the word language. So in this condition, the is written there. Understood the difference? Do you speak German? The sentence is getting over German only. So no article there before this language German. But in this sentence, do you speak the German language? Before the German language, we are writing language after German. There we are using the article the, right? Now 12th point. Before common nouns, which are names of things unique of their kind, as the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the sea, the ocean, the world, the air, the universe. The earth moves around the sun. Sun and earth, unique of their kind. So we have the article the before them. The world is a happy place. So before world, we have the article the. Now 13th point. Before ordinals. Ordinals are the numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. They are ordinals. If we are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, they are cardinal numbers. So before ordinal numbers, you have to use the. The 1st of March, on the 3rd occasion, the 5th time, 5th is ordinal. So before that, we have the 3rd ordinal. Before that, we have the 1st. This is ordinal. So before 1st, we are writing the. Now 14th, before superlatives. We have 3 degrees, positive, comparative, and superlative. So if you are using superlative degree, before that you have to use the. This is the best book on English grammar. Best is superlative degree, good, better, best. So before best, you have to use the. He is the worst boy in the class. Worst is superlative degree of bad. Bad was worst. So we have the worst. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Superlative word given here is highest. High, higher, highest. So before highest, we have this article, the. This is the least price I shall accept. So least is superlative degree. So before that, we have the. Next, 15th point. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood as. Here, the rich should help the poor. Now, rich and poor, they are adjectives. But in this particular sentence, we are using them as nouns. So before that, we have the rich, that means rich people. The poor, that means poor people. So in this condition, when you are making adjective a noun, there you have to use the before the adjectives. Next one, we pity the blind and the deaf. The blind means blind people. The deaf means deaf people. Blind and deaf, they are adjectives where we are making them nouns. So we are using the blind and the deaf. Now, next point 16, before a proper noun, when it is qualified as an adjective or a phrase or a clause as an adjective. The immortal Shakespeare. Shakespeare, proper noun. Before that, we are using adjective immortal. So before that, we have this article, the immortal Shakespeare. The great Caesar. Caesar, proper noun. Before that, we are using adjective great. So with this, we have to write article the. Same way, the wise Solomon. The famous Napoleon. I hope you have understood these uses. Okay. 1 minute. With that, we have this exercise given here. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the, wherever required. Your first sentence. She visited the Safdarjung tomb last month. Name of a building here. So the Safdarjung tomb. He always speaks the truth. So before truth, we have the article the. We should always help the needy. Needy is an adjective. So before that, we are writing the needy. That means it's a noun here. So the. Rita found dash 1 rupee coin. I told you yesterday, O is vowel, but you have to see the vowel sound, and your vowel sound is V. So here you have to write a 1 rupee coin. Next one. He saw the boy she was talking about. Now here this boy has become the particular one, the specific boy about whom she was talking. So your answer is the. Next, 6th one. I always like to read about sports in dash Times of India. Times of India, name of a newspaper. So the Times of India. 7th, he saw a European. E is vowel, but your sound is U. So we have a European, a German, and an Indian discussing something important. Indian, I vowel, vowel sound also. So we have an Indian. German, G consonant. Eighth one, we boarded the Lucknow mail at 9. Name of a train. So we have the there. Next one, the peacock is a beautiful bird. We are talking about all peacocks here. So we have the peacock is a beautiful bird. My father is an honorary member of the managing committee. Honorary, O, vowel sound, though H is given there, but vowel sound we have in the starting. So we are writing an. Now let's see this another exercise. Fill in the blanks with the wherever necessary and wherever it is not required. First one. Good and bad always move in opposite directions. In this condition, will not use any article, so cross here. Second one, Barack Obama is the president of dash United States of America. With such countries, we have to use the. So the United States of America. Third sentence, dash Valmiki's Ramayana has Lord Rama as its central character. We read just now that with Ramayana, you will write the. But if Valmiki, that is the proper noun given there, name of that writer given there, in that condition, you will not write any article. So put a cross there. Next one. Dash blue car won the race. The blue car won the race. Statue of Liberty was a gift to America from France. Answer is the Statue of Liberty was a gift to America from France. Sixth sentence. He is the youngest of the two siblings. Youngest, superlative degree. So we have the youngest. The New York Times is an American newspaper. Name of newspaper. So we have the New York Times. The renowned singer Lata Mangeshkar is coming to our town. So before this renowned singer, we have the there. Okay. Now next one more point here. Repetition of the. Two sentences are given there. Let's see what's the difference. The singer and the lyricist were present at the occasion. And next sentence is the singer and lyricist was present at the occasion. Now in the first sentence, what does that mean? There are two persons. One is singer and one is lyricist. So with both, we are using the singer, the lyricist. And pay attention to this, we are using were there because two persons there. Next one, the singer and lyricist was present. That means one single person there who is a singer and a lyricist as well. So there we'll use the before the first word only. And in this sentence, just see this, that we are using was present at the occasion because we are talking about one person. After this, one more exercise here. Fill in the blanks with the, put across in the blanks where it is not required. First one, this is the bracelet that my mother gave me on my birthday. My is given there. So before that, will not write any article. Second one, eggs are available here by the dozen. When you have units of measurement, before that you have to write the liter, the dozen. Third sentence, the building that we live in is designed by my father. So building has become the particular building which is designed by his father. That's why we are using the there. Fourth, the accident victims were promptly taken to the hospital. Next sentence, the Narayanhiti Palace in Nepal is where the king of Nepal used to reside. Name of particular buildings. So here we have the, and before king also we have the king of Nepal. The there. Next sentence, Shima Bandanaike is the world's first woman prime minister. Next sentence, earliest rulers of Nepal were dash Kirantis. So earliest superlative, the earliest, and Kirantis, name of the family there. So the Kirantis. I spent my childhood days in the foothills of the Himalayas, range of mountains, so the Himalayas. Rakesh watches television every day in the evening. When you're writing morning, evening like this, so you have to write the television, no article there. Next sentence, dash budget for the country, for the current year, will try to do justice to dash rich as well as dash poor. Before budget, we are using the. Before rich, we are writing the. We are making it a noun. Though it is an adjective, we are making it a noun. So we are using the rich. Same way with the poor, we are using article the there. We are making it a noun. The poor. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood the use of article, definite article, the. So thank you all. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.